Hi guys, happy Monday. Well, we're back. Sorry about Friday, I know I flaked on you. I did make a video and maybe I'll post it today with this one. Maybe I won't. It wasn't very exciting. It was just a bunch of sea bumps. But Friday was really exciting. We'll talk about it while we do my hair. And we're going to do a straight and smooth look using Shang High Thickening Paste, Shanghai Root Booster, which I need to get another bottle of. Root Booster, roots. Massage it in. Don't be afraid. That's going to give us lift up here. Thickening paste, which I've spoken about a few times, is a unique product. You do not need a lot of it, and by a lot, I mean half of what you think I'm about to say. Like, that little smear right there is a little bit too much. Like, I'm going to rub it in my hands and, then put some of it on a towel. And then I just use the thickening paste down here. Right? Thickening paste plumps up your hair from the inside. And then on the outside, smooths the cuticle. It's a very interesting combination. You do not need a lot. It's actually really great for people who already have thick hair. Go figure. Because it smooths it. It's a nice blow dry lotion. So from there, I'm going to use my blow dryer and my paddle brush, and we're going to go at it. High heat. I'm going to dip my head for a second. Be right back. Okay. Paddle brush. I'm wrapping my head around my hair around my head. Thickening paste speeds up blow dry time too. So hopefully the bottom of my hair is not drier before the top is. Alright, look at that. Smooth, smooth. To finish it off, I'm going to flat iron a little bit. So Friday. Guys, I feel so comfortable with you. I'm snotting all over the place. Friday was really, really nice. The dress is unbelievably beautiful. I'd love to, I don't know, part of me wants to gloat, talk about how beautiful it is, but a bigger part of me is, I'm so blessed. I am. For you guys, and for Christian, and for all the great things that are going on in my life, and for all my friends and family. And that's my rant of today, because I am so blessed, and what a beautiful dress. I twit picked it on Friday, because Matt really does not look at Twitter. He doesn't care to. He doesn't even pique his interest at all. So I figured it was safe. And I pretty much showed everybody, the whole world, but him, this weekend because I have it on my phone. Oh, it's just lovely. Just lovely. What else did we do? Pilar, who is one of my maids of honor, her and my sister Emily, who are actually both married, so I guess they're both matrons, but we don't like to call each other matrons. It sounds so matronly, doesn't it? Pilar bought her first pair of Louboutins, red soles, for the wedding. We went to Saks. We went to Christian Studio when we got there. We met my Aunt Catherine. Tried on the gown. Beautiful. We went to Soho because I was going to go look for like lingerie. We went to La Perla. But frankly, and without going into much detail as to why I'm not paying $230 for a pair of panties. I'm sorry. What, are you supposed to dry clean them? I mean, I would. I would if we weren't so cost sensitive these days, but we are. So I won't. So La Perla was nothing worked out in La Perla. So then we went to the big Saks on, you guessed it, 5th Avenue. It's 10 stories high. It's got, when we went, Pilar was ready to call it a day. I had to convince him, like, came here to buy a pair of Louboutins. We should at least go to the zip code shoe department in Saks. Have the whole shoe department have its own zip code, 10020, I think. Anyway, we went in there at 3:30 and didn't leave Saks till 8 p.m. The place is like an amusement park for shopping. Pilar got her shoes. Jenka, my other lovely bridesmaid, got her got a bikini for Miami and a cover-up. We had dinner, and I bought a corset and some lingerie in their underwear department, and it was a lot more reasonable. And I got fitted, and apparently I wear a 32C, which I still don't believe. I was wearing a 36A, and she said I'm a 32B. See, how confused could you be? It's like opposite. Anyway. So that was my Friday. I wish I'd put pictures on here, but I'm just not going to do that. If you want to see them on Twitter, you can go look. It is lovely. Christian's lovely. Oh, God. And listen to this. We were in his studio, and on the back wall, well, he's got a bunch of his clothes done for his show in September. So that, I guess that would be spring 2010 show, which he'll be showing in New York in September. So he had a lot of the collection up against the wall, and it was these beautiful, well, I'm not going to tell you what it is because I don't want to ruin it. This is back wall. He had his like inspiration board for a beautiful picture with these swatches of fabric and cutouts, kind of like what I do in my room. Beautiful blue sea and mountains falling into the sea with little multicolored rooftops. And I said, what is that? Is this on Amalfi Coast? It's inspiration for my spring 2010 collection. I'm like, get out of here. That's where Matt and I are going for our honeymoon. Go figure. Christian might come to the wedding. He's invited, of course, but I didn't know if he'd be too busy, but he said he's going to try very hard to be there, so that was exciting too. So kids, I think I'm almost done with my hair today. Very smooth. Thickening paste is a really nice heat protector. You don't even need to put it on again when your hair's dry. If you blow dry with it, you're golden. So there we go. Straight and smooth. Cibu's congested. Cibu loves you. Have a good Monday and a good week, because I'm sure going to try to, and I feel like I need a vacation for my weekend.